Hi everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kimchi gohan. Kimchi gohan is rice cooked with pork and kimchi, so it's like an easy version of Korean bibimbap. At the end of the video, I will show you how I create a menu with this Kimchi gohan, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra. 2 cups of Japanese rice, 400 grams thinly sliced pork. This is tenderloin today, but any part will do as far as it's thinly sliced. 200 gram kimchi, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, sesame oil and oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon each of gochujang and garlic paste, 4 eggs, and to garnish, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds and some green onion. At first, I'm rinsing the rice. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat like 3 or 4 times. Let's put the rice here in the pot. It's 2 cups of rice, so let's add 2 cups of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. It's to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, I'm preparing the other ingredients. So green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. This is just to save your time so that you don't have to cut all the way from the bottom to the top. Let's slice it thinly. And this is the garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside until the rice is ready. Kimchi next. Sometimes one piece is too big like this, so let's cut it into smaller pieces. Back into the bowl. And pork. It's thinly sliced, but it's big. So let's cut it into small pieces. Like this. Now, I'm going to season the pork. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of gochujang, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and rub to mix. The rice has been soaked for half an hour, so let's put the pork and the kimchi. You don't need to mix it, so the pork and kimchi are just sitting on top of the rice. Let's put the lid on. And just bring it to boil over medium-high heat. Now it's boiling. Turn the heat to low as you can go and set the timer steamer for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Kill the heat, keep the lid on and steam at least for 10 minutes. It's been steamed for 10 minutes, so let's add the green onion and sesame seeds. Give it a mix. Okay, the rice is ready, so let's make fried egg. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium-low heat. Spread the oil. Let's crack the eggs in. Put some water. It's about half a tablespoon per egg. Put the lid on and cook until it becomes your favorite consistency. Fried egg is ready, so let's serve. Butter kimchi gohan in the bowl. Fried egg on top. More green onion and sesame seeds, and it's ready to go. Time for the tasting. I don't want to break the egg yolk because it's so beautiful, but it tastes better with the creamy egg yolk, so let's go ahead and break it. And いただきます。Butter kimchi gohan is delicious by itself, but the fried egg brings it to next level. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Butter kimchi gohan goes here and it contains a lot of protein, so I think I can pass the main dish. For the soup, let's have wakame soup. I need something green, so broccoli gomae for one of the side dishes. For the other side dish, let's have pickles either off the shelf or homemade. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!